Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove an unwanted section of an image on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an image that you wish to edit. We have an image on screen, so we can now turn the attention to the desktop screen. Let's click on the image. Let's now Command C, Command V to copy and paste. If something happens to the original image, you may not be able to revert back to its original self, which is why you should create a copy of that same image and then experiment on the image. So I've just pressed down on my trackpad, force touch, to try and rename this image as image 2. So let's click on this. And now let's just increase the size of the image itself to now remove a section that we no longer require. Let's click on Command and X, so we will cut a section out. If we just highlight the image or a section of the image and now Command X, that literally cuts the unwanted section that we no longer require. If we Command S, the changes have now been made. If we quick preview, if we now click on or press spacebar on the image, and there we have the unwanted section removed from the image. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.